Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you how I got the fake Dyson Blowout hair tutorial. I mean, look at this. This is stunning, right? This doesn't it look like a full-blown Dyson blowout, and I literally did this with a straightener. It's that easy and affordable. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so these are my natural hair. They are wavy as hell. I'm just gonna comb my hair with a wooden comb. I always use wooden combs, not the plastic ones. Now dividing my hair into two equal sections like this and dividing them like vertically. Okay, so I know I look very weird, but it will all come together. So now for the lower portion of your hair, you just need to straighten them usually like you would do, just normally picking up the straightener. I am using the Ikonic S3 Straightner. This has like different temperatures. I keep it usually at 190. Now just picking sections by sections, I'm just gonna straighten the hair like I would usually do. There's nothing tricky about this one. Yo guys, my light is blinking. I don't know what is happening, but it is just going crazy. Wait, I'll just switch it off. It's fine now. So one section is all done, as you can see. On to the other one. It is so hot here in Indore, like it is crazy. I would say it is hotter than Udaipur, and Udaipur is supposed to be hotter than Indore, but this year Indore is more like humid, and I honestly hate it. I hate summers for this reason only. I mean, the clothes and all, they are all nice, but it's just so unbearable. It's actually crazy. So now for all these baby hairs also, I just straighten them accordingly. Okay, so now coming on to the upper section of my hair. So now this is where the hack comes. Okay, so let's suppose I'm gonna take this section first. Okay, I'm just gonna run through my fingers a little bit. So I straighten only the roots twice, and then I just twist my hand like this, and I straighten in an opposite direction, and I do this like twice or thrice according to the hair strand, because if it is like, you see, it just makes this curve, and that is when the Dyson bounce comes. Now repeating it on the whole area apart from my bangs, that is a little different too. I will explain it when it comes. So now this whole part is done, as you can see. These bangs are left, which I'm gonna do like at the last. And also, I know these just look like curls, but trust me, after the bangs it will look like the blowout only. It is actually literally all about the bangs. Now I'm just gonna save the bang behind my ear and start with this section. Okay, so the second side is also complete, as you can see. Now comes the bangs. Wait, these are the bangs. Now what you need to do is you need to collect the bangs like this, and you need to make like a triangle in between, just like this. Okay, twist the straightener just like this if you are right-handed, and then just straighten it upwards. Okay, I'm gonna straighten them like 2 to 3 times, and third, and just brush your fingers just like this. Alright y'all, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it and it helped you. So please give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment on what you wish to see from me next, and hit the subscribe button down below. I'd be really happy if you come along with my YouTube journey, and I'll see you in the next one. So till then, take care. Bye.